Hey, my name is Phil from beginnerwebsite.com. In this video, I want to show you how you can reset your WordPress website quickly and easily, and most importantly, for free. So I've got this website here that I actually want to go back and reset it to the standard WordPress install. So let me show you how to do it step by step. First thing you want to do is come to your dashboard. As you can see, this is just a brand new install. I have a few plugins installed as well, but I want to reset it back to standard. What you want to do is come to plugins, come down to add new, click on that button there. In a few moments, the WordPress repository will appear. So go ahead, type in WP reset and then let it load for a few seconds. And now this will appear. What you want to do is click on install now, and then it will start installing. And then finally, you want to go ahead, click on activate. Now this has been activated. If I come to tools down to WP reset, now it is ready to roll. Now what you want to do is scroll down and keep on scrolling until you come to site reset. And this is where you can reset your entire site back to a standard WordPress install. Now, interestingly, you can also create what is called a snapshot. Now, a snapshot saves all of your customizations. It creates a sort of file that allows you to store all of your settings. So I highly recommend you first of all click create snapshot. You can call it what you want. It can have, say, a date. So what I'm going to do is just type in here March 30, click create snapshot. And this is like a backup just in case I change my mind. So it's been created, that's all ready to go. Now what we can do is type in reset, and it says, are you sure you want to reset the site? Click on reset WordPress, and now it is going to reset. Now just keep in mind too, the snapshot isn't a backup. Instead, it is just a snapshot, which is only relevant to WP reset, which basically has your customizations at the time. So let's go have a look at the website now. I'll go ahead, click visit website. If it doesn't look like anything, there's a good chance that your cache is there, but I've reset it one more time, and here it is. It's back to a standard WordPress website. Very cool indeed. Now, just for example, if I wanted to bring back my website to what it currently was before I did the reset, this is how you can reuse the snapshot. So just come to tools, come to WP reset one more time, come to snapshots, and then click on actions and restore snapshot. Click restore snapshot, and now this is going to bring your website back to what it was. So it's quick and easy to go backwards and forwards. I'll just quickly log in, and now we are back at this page. Now if I come back to demo site, click on visit site once again, we have gone back to our good looking website. So it's been pretty cool. We've gone from this website back to nothing, back to a fresh WordPress install, back to the site. And that's how you can use WP reset, and that is how you reset your WordPress website. Hopefully this has helped. If it has, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe. I've got loads of training in the future. And that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next video.